Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how to create a vehicle in your Mettis control panel. If we go from the main menu to the Vehicles section, we'll see that we have as many lines created as there are cameras recently installed in your vehicles. That is, if you have 2 cameras installed, you'll have 2 lines. Here in our fictional Mettis driving school, we can see that there are already several vehicles or lines created, of which only these 2 are active. These are the vehicles that are currently operating. In your case, if you have 2 cameras, you'll have 2 lines here to fill in. This is done automatically. You don't have to create the lines yourself. To identify them, you'll need to go to the camera column and you'll see a very long number, like the one I've highlighted here on the screen. This number is located above the camera facing the driver. There's a label that says IMEI. That's the identifier. And based on that identifier, you can go here to View Details and fill in the information for the vehicle assigned to that camera. If you have any questions, of course, you can contact us and we'll tell you the IMEI if you don't want to look for the sticker. Once you have it, you can fill in its license plate, make, model, year, transmission type, and fuel type, and also to track maintenance, insurance, and MOT/vehicle inspection. You can fill it in to see the expiration dates. Once you have everything, you would click Save Changes, and it would appear, for example, like this vehicle we have below for our tests. You would then see the license plate, the model, and all this information. And finally, we have the active or inactive column to check if that car is currently being used, or if it's undergoing any kind of maintenance, or if the camera is being replaced. Any action that indicates the car is not currently being used. And that concludes the entire process of registering the vehicle in Mettis.